Good morning, standard 10 students. In physics, today I am going to explain your consequence. So, in last video, I explained you the three conditions work done. W is equal to f plus cos theta. First, when theta is equal to 0 degree, cos 0 degree is 1. So, work is maximum f into s. Work is said to be maximum. Second case, when theta is equal to 90 degree, cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So W is equal to F into S into 0, that is 0 degree. Work is said to be minimum. And third case, when theta is equal to 180 degree, cos 180 degree is equal to -1. So W is equal to minus F into S. They are the three conditions when theta, when the work is set to maximum, when the work is set to minimum. This is negative, it doesn't mean it is minimum. The meaning of this, work is done against the force, or the force work is opposing the force. Work is done so minus Fs means force oppose the motion. Take an example, when we walk on the ground, the force of friction opposes our motion. So this is the example of theta is equal to 180 degree. So that's why it is negative sign here, cos 180 degree is -1. Right? So in this case, the force opposes the motion means minus Fs. It doesn't mean the work is minimum here. Work is done, but which case? Work done in which the force opposes the motion. Example, when we walk on the ground, the force of frictions acting in opposite direction to our force applied by the leg. So in this case, the force opposes the motion, and that's why it is negative sign is given here. It doesn't mean it is minimum. Minimum only when cos theta is equal to 90 degree. Now, several examples. First example, circular path. Suppose the body is moving in a circular path. When the body is at A, this is the direction, this is the displacement direction. When the body is at B, this is the displacement direction. When the body is at C, this is the displacement direction. When the body is at D, this is the displacement direction. Is it? Now the question is, why a body moving in a circular path, the work done is 0 by the body. Answer we have to write. Seeing the centripetal force, you have studied in the first chapter, centripetal force, a force which acts toward the center in a circular path is known as centripetal force. So see this displacement when body is at A. What the angle between the centripetal force and displacement? 90 degree. Each case here, what the angle? 90 degree. Here also, what the angle? 90 degree. So each case, the displacement is normal to the centripetal force. Don't forget to write the name of the force. Against which force the displacement is normal. That you have to mention. Otherwise, whole concept will be wrong. So here the displacement is normal to the centripetal force. That's why work done is 0. This is the answer. Where the displacement is normal, and then write the force name. So here the displacement of the body is normal to the centripetal force. Each stage in each point, hence the work done by the body in a circular path is 0. Second example, when a pulley raise a load on its head, that time he do the work against the force of gravity, negative force. The force of gravity acting downward directions, and this is the angle. What angle? 180 degree. So in this case, when he raised the load from the ground to his head, he is doing work. Right? He opposes the force of gravity which is acting downward. But it means negative one. But he does the work. But when he start moving this direction, right? See the displacement. This displacement against the force of gravity is normal 90 degree. So against the force of gravity, when a pulley moves, after keeping the load on his head, when the pulley starts moving, the work done against the force of gravity, listen, I am mentioning the force. So displacement against the force of gravity is normal, hence pulley doesn't work. Remember, the displacement along the force of gravity is normal. That's why the pulley doesn't work. Right? But that means the pulley is not doing work. He is doing work. So when he moves, the force of gravity opposes the motions. Force of gravity always acts opposite to the force applied. So the pulley is doing work against force of friction, but it doesn't work against force of gravity. Once again, why the reason? Reason means the displacement of the load by the pulley against the force of gravity is normal, hence against force of gravity the pulley is not doing any work. But the pulley is doing work against force of friction, which opposes the motion of the pulley. So negative one. But he is doing work against force of friction, but he is not doing work according to this, the definition of the work against the force of gravity. He is not doing any work because the displacement is normal to the gravitational force. So I mean to say, whenever this type of question is there, you have to write the displacement is normal to which force. Don't forget to mention the name of the force. Against which force it is normal. That you have to mention. Otherwise, whole concept will be wrong. Right, clear? After that, what is the unit? So work is equal to force into displacement. 1 joule, work unit is 1 joule. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 second. As what? Displacement, so meter. What is the definition of 1 joule of work is said to be done when 1 Newton force applied on a body displaces the body through 1 meter. Once again, listen here. This is SI unit. SI unit. So 1 joule work is said to be done when 1 Newton force applied on a body displaces the body through 1 meter. And CGS, W is equal to F into S. 1 R is equal to 1 time into 1 meter. So 1 R is the work is said to be done when 1 dyne force applied in a body displaces a body through 1 centimeter. In CGS, centimeter. Right? Then I will explain you in the next class. The relation, some more units are there. Kilojoule, megajoule, gigajoule, then relation between the Newton and Earth. Okay, then I will explain you the power. Next class I will explain you these things. Thank you very much.